Hi, this is my Renaissance Grandma. I am starting my fall garden. I came out and I started preparing all of my pots. Over the past 3 weeks, I have been coming out here treating my dirt. These are all the pots I will be using. Today I am going to do the last treatment and I'm going to put this warm milk in my pots. So stay tuned. Bye bye.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, that's my Renaissance grandma. That's my Renaissance grandma. That's my Renaissance grandma. Hey, yeah. She be flipping that dirt, stay designing them shirts. She be knee deep in that soil, marinating them oils, making it, baking it, creating it. Yeah, making it, baking it, creating it. That's my Renaissance grandma. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi, this is my Renaissance Grandma. If you don't mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and share if you like. I just started my fall garden. And I've already, if you follow me, you know it's too tiny out here for me to record and work at the same time. So I just dropped the seeds and I'm going to show you what I dropped. Okay, I dropped kohlrabi, freckle lettuce, marble of four season lettuce, more ruby red Swiss chard, whatever this word says, but it's delicious. Winter squash, carrots, Italian torpedo onions, Chinese white celery, Morris head and collard greens, Georgia collards. Now these are some old winter squash from about 3-4 years ago, so I just dropped them just to see if they would do anything. Choice Florida mustards, spinach, and bok choy cabbage. I do have a little more space than I had this summer from thinning things out, and then I tried to put everything in front of me. So I have all of these, and okay, these are my peppers. As you can see, there's a pepper there. There's a lot of them coming. There's another one in there. This one keeps looking wilted, and then when I put it in the shade, it looks a little better. But it has a pepper one there, and then it has a lot of peppers coming. And then that's a chili pepper, and then I don't know what kind of pepper these are back here. Banana peppers look like. But anyway, I try to put everything in front of me so I can just work and won't have to keep flipping behind me. So these are the pots and so this is my homemade trellis. And I wanted to put some beans in there, but I haven't found any winter beans. Okay, I have this long one up here. I have these down here. I have some under the table. Then over here, and I put all my trees over there in the corner. And some down here, and then behind me is still tomatoes struggling to come in. I still have 5 or 6 tomatoes. I don't know if they're gonna make it since it's the end of the year. And look, I have a ton of cucumbers on here. I mean a ton, which I don't know if they're going to survive this late in the year. Okay. And this is, I look like I'm getting ready to get some more okra here because I only got 2 okras. And this cantaloupe, it has like 1,000 yellow flowers on it. So I don't know if it's gonna do anything or if it's too late for it. But as these things start to die off, I will plant more greens because as we all know, I could take a half a bag, trash can bag full of greens in the house, and once that heat hit them, we down to 2 bowls. And so far I have been not sharing, so I would like to share my greens with my family. So as my pots start to die off, I will add more greens. And one good thing that okay, see all this stuff right here, all of this stuff right here, I wasn't able to reach the things back in that corner, so they kind of suffered. And so that's why I'm so glad that now I have everything right in front of me and I don't have to stretch my back like I had to do all summer. And there are the potatoes still dying back. The avocados are still avocados, and the turmeric and ginger. And then I have more potatoes and onions and garlic up under the table in this big giant pot. And I also started more sunflower because I so enjoyed them. So I just put a little in this little pot right here. Okay, and this right here, that is my this is my lemon tree from seed. I never expected it to do anything, but it's been in there for a mighty long time and it's just hanging on. So now I'll try to find me some garlic, and I still have one empty pot, which is this one right here, and something is growing in there. It almost, I don't know what that is. It may even be a sunflower seed, I don't know, but it's just hanging out by itself. But that's a spare pot, so if I run across something else I want to drop, I will drop it. Thank you so much for following my little condo-stead journey. And you all take care. I'll pray for you. You pray for me, and we'll watch God change things. Bye-bye.